Welcome to Nanobug Studios, and I got one for you. Well, it's how to make $300 in a day, and we're getting on towards lunchtime now, and we got this area cleaned up, and now I'm just going to utilize this mattress as a towing mechanism to transport the stuff here down to the place it's going, and we're gonna see how this works out. All right, everything should be fine. I got it tied up good. What I did was give you a little. Let's see what is this. I found something on the ground here. It's a button or some sort. That's what it is. I don't know what it is. Piece of plastic. Anyway, here's what we got. We got the rope run through the straps on the mattress here on both sides, and then a rope tied to that rope, and we're gonna pull it down the road. I think. Let me open the back glass. All right. Rock and roll. As they say in show business, rock and roll. I don't know, they don't say that shit in show business. Alright. Break a leg. You know where that came from? I always thought it had something to do with sports, but here's where it came from. The curtains on the stage are called legs. The curtains on the side are called legs. And when they said break a leg, that was because back in the olden day, I don't know, maybe some places now, but anyway, back in the day, like the 1800s and cowboy days and stuff, they would have a bunch of people would show up to show in the show. You know, they would be a part of the show. A bunch of people would show up to be. Can y'all see what's going on back here? Okay. All right. A bunch of people would show up to be. Can y'all hear me? A bunch of people would show up to be part of the show, and happened was sometimes there'd be too many people to get up for the time allotted for the show. So what they would do is they would tell each other, "I hope you break a leg." I hope you break a leg. That means I hope you go past the curtains and get on the stage to do your show thing, right? Whatever your thing in the show was. So that's where break a leg came from. Nothing to do with sports. Who knew? Now you know. But anyway, here we go. Y'all still with me? Yeah. gotta go pick this. Damn, dude! What? I didn't mean to. Alright. I gotta go back and pick that shit up. We'll go this way. You know the rest of the story. Thanks for joining me at Nanobug Studios.